गुड डे एवरीवन। आई जस्ट इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ। मेरा नाम प्रदीप शुक्ला है। कन्वेंशनली मैं एक सक्सेसफुल लॉयर हूँ। और आज का जो अपना टॉपिक है, इट इज़ आउटकम ऑफ सम इंक्वायरीज। लास्ट मेरा यूट्यूब चैनल पे जब एक सेक्शन 138 के लिए मैंने बताया था, तो रिपीटेडली क्वेश्चन ये आ रहा है कि पार्टनर्स को हम लोग ने पार्टी बनाया तो क्या सब पार्टनर लायबल है, या डायरेक्टर्स को पार्टी बनाया। सिंपल चीज़ है कि मैनी टाइम्स, particularly in partnership or in a family companies, the ladies are made also a director or a partner for the sake of this thing. Now, it is not कि they are not responsible, but under section 138, if you want also to make them as an accused, there has to be an averment in the pleadings itself that they are really डे टू डे वर्किंग में है, एंड दे आर एक्टिवली एंड दे हैव ए मेजर रोल टू प्ले इन द बिजनेस ऑफ द कंपनी और बिजनेस ऑफ द पार्टनरशिप. इन एब्सेंस ऑफ सच एवरमेंट्स, देर आर लाइकली दैट द accused make an application for discharge, or and such directors may be gents, may be ladies, if they are otherwise a director just for the sake of, and they are not involved in day-to-day managements or the working or the business of the company, they under 138 they may not be liable. Now that is to be really understood by everybody. Now this is simple thing, but it has a major role to play. Secondly, he क्या कर सकते हैं अंडर 138 की many times the party make stop payment. ये भी एक क्वेश्चन मुझे 2-3 लोगों ने पूछा, तो आई टोल्ड कि मैं थोड़ा बिजी हूँ, बट डेफिनेटली आई आंसर टू दैट कि स्टॉप पेमेंट किया उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि 138 इज़ नॉट लाइबिलिटी. देयर आर, यू हैव टू अवॉइड इन द नोटिस द मैंडेटरी रिक्वायरमेंट्स. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दैट ही हैज़ नो बैलेंस एंड द पर्पज ऑफ स्टॉप पेमेंट. नाउ देयर कैन बी ए केस दैट द चेक इज इशूड आफ्टर द date of the stop payment, then also they are liable under section 420 and 406 of IPC. Now these are all technical things, general people may not go into that, but एक चीज़ समझ लेना चाहिए कि introduction of 138 section in the Negotiable Instrument Act, the reason is to make the business through check very strong. Earlier also the check was considered as an admitted liability. So civil में it was making strong, but then under 138 there is also an offence which is punishable with the imprisonment also, and also the double the amount, and that's why using this section can be used for the betterment of the people who are having a dishonored check. Now definitely they can refer to their advocate, because a statutory notice is absolutely necessary, and giving 15 days opportunity to the other side to make payment, that also is must. There are other agreements also, but these are the basic things that I have covered. So don't worry about it. Go ahead with your business through check and make your recovery strong. There is also a demand. 4-5 followers of my YouTube channel have been also saying that 138 is good for the business, but what about the general public also? There is an act called Consumer Protection Act. Now in this is so wide, 90% people do not have the idea that these are their rights and they can do so many things under this act. So definitely it's my promise to people who have asked and people who have even not asked, that next time I will start my basic knowledge which is useful to general people. I don't say technicalities of legal things I will be producing it, but then it's good to have a basic knowledge for the people in large, and so that I will be starting that also. God bless everybody. Keep in touch.